Doug Kiernan here at the Taiwan Expo in Dallas, Texas, and I'm with Toyo Automation from Taiwan. And this is a really cool event where the Taiwanese government is trying to foster stronger relationships between Taiwan and the United States. And they've got us in the Smart Factory Pavilion with lots of robots and automation. So we have our Toyo Robo Automate demo, and this shows our vertical stocker, which is a very common gantry configuration. Here we're using our belt drive actuators for our vertical, horizontal bridge and the cross axis with a rotary and a gripper on there. So again, really common stocker applications, can be used semiconductor industry, warehouse automation. All right. So with the Cartesian robot, we can do for very light payloads up to those heavy payloads, and we're just scaling in the X, Y, and Z dimensions. And again, we can service multiple pallets by just extending that gantry axis, where with a 6-axis robot, you would either need to put that on an extra axis or be using a massive, expensive robot. Here's some examples of some high-precision Cartesian robots. So this is working with our Toyo Nano division. They make some incredible systems, and over here on the left, you can see a Toyo Nano system with air bearings and again linear motors, vibration isolation, and it's pretty much a turnkey system ready to go where our customer just mounts their core technology, whether that's their vision system or whatever type of process they're putting in there. And then here's kind of synergy between standard linear actuators and again using granite for very high precision placement. Here's some very big gantries on our factory floor. You can see this big steel weldment here, again for high payload applications in a belt-driven gantry. I just mentioned a 6-axis, putting it on a 6-axis robot and then putting it on a 7th axis, sometimes it's called, or a robot transfer unit, which is what we have over here. And this is a gantry. We designed this for a vertical gantry where we actually put a robot on the vertical axis there. So that was a complex stocking application. And this is a complex assembly where they've got your 6-axis robots operating in conjunction with our Cartesian robot doing complex assembly on consumer electronic device. And so that's this system here built on our factory floor, installed in our customer's test lab. So this is used to test the sensors on big Class 8 like Mack trucks. So it moves that target out in front of all the sensors on the truck to test its vision systems. All right. Well, thank you very much, and hope you learned something about Cartesian robots, Toyo, and multi-axis systems. Thank you.
Thank you. So finally.